going to show you how to make fidget spinner a color rolling fidget spinner. First, we have to take a fidget spinner and remove this cap out, and you can take any color and make it and see. I'm going to show you. See how it's look. I'm going to show you how it's look. See. I am showing you. Alina, can you hold this? What? Hold. Yeah. This tab, like this. Little down. You can see it on 1 second. It is removed. See. Okay, subscribe to our channel. XX.